just with it. While with it.
What did you say? If you're, are you ready to take a nap?
No.
What did you say? You said you were.
I need some help.
Are you feeling tired?
No. I'm not feeling tired.
Are you joking?
Yeah.
You're not joking?
Yeah, I'm trying to joke.
Are you gonna make some pizza? Is that pizza dough?
No, it's not pizza dough. It's oatmeal. It's tofu.
Tofu?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Are you gonna have some tomatoes in there too?
Yeah, I'm gonna have some tofu and beans and this tofu and tofu.
Okay.
And have
I want to see you use your mixer. Can you use your mixer? Show me how you use the mixer.
okay, I'll do it.
Wow. Okay. Amazing. Great job. Everything's working just fine, huh?
I need can you make me can you give me some tomato and can the beans? What did you say? I'm stretching.
He's stretching and he made the ah sound when he stretches. Can you stretch like that too? Are you feeling sleepy?
No.
Sorry. Stretching hurts.
All right. Wow, great job. What are you doing there? You're sprinkling something?
I'm getting some tomatoes.
Oh, okay.
I'm putting up my sleeves.
That's what any great cook always pulls up their sleeves when they're gonna get messy. Yeah. Are you gonna crumble up your oatmeal? And the tofu? Sorry, tofu? You can use your hands to knead the dough.
No, it's not dough. It's tofu. I need one more.
You're right.
And I need one more spill of water.
Okay.
Oh no, apple juice.
Apple juice.
Okay.
Should you warm something up in the microwave too?
This
is very-
water. Okay.
There we go.
Oh no, I can't get water from the microwave.
Can you warm it up in your microwave?
I can't warm.
Does your apple juice cup fit in the microwave?
No.
Let's see if your cup will work on the microwave.
No.
Okay. Oh, that's too big. You need your smaller. Here. Use this one.
No, this is not good. Yeah. The small
Okay.
cup goes in here.
Oops.
And, whoops.
Here, push it at the bottom. There. Just put your finger on it down here and push. And now you can.
Man, I love Woody.
All right. Now push the start button. There it goes. All right. Isn't that amazing? It's working. Except that cup is too big in there.
The timer goes too fast.
You push down here.
No, I
Push it. Push it all the way. Good job. See, that'll work every time. And then if you want it to open, you press the open button.
Sophia, to infinity and beyond.